What's up, guys? In this video, AK is going to show you how to replace door spring rope kit for this Bosch dishwasher. I don't have any affiliation with Bosch or Amazon. However, I bought it from Amazon Bosch store. It's twice more expensive, but just I don't like any knockoffs, and it looks legit. So it will be reverse engineering, because the toughest part, if you have dishwasher with those side panels, you watching this video. If not, there are tons of videos how to replace that kit. It will be reverse engineering. Look at that diagram. So areas you need to focus: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those areas holding that panel in place. But first you need to remove that small panel. It's more like preventing some junk going between cabinet. On top there is a white one, that's easy peasy, and this is just like holding small bracket holding whole dishwasher in place. The tough part, I think somebody dropped Coca-Cola or whatever soft drink, so it's kind of stuck. Finally I get it out. So you pulling this thing out, and there are 2 screws. In my case it was only one. You taking those screws, and next part of the video will show how I'm installing it back. So there are 2 like small plastic pins sticking like down, and when you unscrew those screws, you move that panel this way, all right, and then a little bit down for an inch, then it will be releasing from those pins, and this is it. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.